Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Oinke token. Now the Oinke token is live for pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. This is on the Solana blockchain. This token is trending #1 right now, doing very well. They have a full audit, they have a KYC. There's 2 days left of this pre-sale, but there is a hard cap of 500 SOL, and they are halfway there already. So this token could sell out way before the time runs out. So you should go check it out as soon as possible. It's a public pre-sale. They've had almost 150 contributors invest in this pre-sale so far. We're going to go over the information on the Oinke token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can follow their Telegram at Oinke on Solana. 60 subscribers on there so far. Has links to their pink sale, pre-sale, their webpage, and their Twitter, all on their Telegram channel. You can preview the Telegram channel as well. And their webpage is oinke.xyz. Over there you can find a full white paper, you can find a roadmap, all sorts of information and links regarding this token. They do have a deck screener and bird eye link there on their pages, on their webpage as well, which will take you over to charts after the pre-sale is over, so you'll be able to see how the token's doing and information on it there. And then they have their social links on their webpage as well. If you want to go right to their document section, oinke.gitbook.io. That's going to have all the info over there. And then their Twitter, as usual, I put it on the screen right here, at Oinke Token. It says Oinke all the way to the bank. Has a link to their Telegram and their webpage on this Twitter here. 76 followers so far. Just joined in February 2024 and has 4 tweets. So most of the tweets are going to be memes and talking about basically about the pre-sale. And which brings us to the pre-sale right now, which is going on. So this pre-sale is live. Doing very well, trending #1 right now. They're at 250 SOL, sold already. And they've had 144 different contributors invest in this pre-sale. Minimum buy for this pre-sale is 0.1 SOL, and max buy is 10 SOL. And that's to decentivize whales from buying too much and pump and dumping the token. Public pre-sale, no whitelist needed to be on this pre-sale. It says, hope you guys are ready to onk all the way to the bank. OG team with great connections and motives. Audit, KYC, doxed. Trending on all platforms. Deck Screener, Dex View, Dex Tool, Soul Scan, Bird Eye, Soul Trendy, AveDex. Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko Fast Track listings. Oinke, see you guys on the other side. 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 4,444,444 tokens. Oinke is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. So they were audited by Analytics Audit. You can review the full PDF of that on PinkSale. And they have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. So 125 SOL soft cap, they've already passed that. 500 SOL hard cap, they're halfway there. And they say here that 2 million of the tokens go to pre-sale. 1 SOL equals 4,000 Oinkes. Pre-sale started March 9th at 17 hours UTC time and goes all the way until March 11th, 19 hours UTC time, or until they reach 500 SOL, whichever one comes first. So just be aware of that. It could sell out a lot faster because of that hard cap. So hello, I am Oinke. Are you ready to oink all the way to the bank? That seems to be the tagline that they like to repeat here. So Oinke is a farmer's pig. He's tired of all the rugging from every degen, so he's planning his sweet revenge. So basically, the farmer is, I guess, supposed to be like these bad devs who rug pull people, and so now he's getting his revenge on these farmers, aka devs. Now, they do have a roadmap. Starting with phase 1 of the roadmap is building a strong community, so on their socials and whatnot. Successful launch, which would be pink sale, so that's basically where we're at right now. Then coming up next is going to be CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap application and listings. Then 1,000 plus holders. Phase 2 is going to be massive marketing push. Oinke's NFT collection. Tier 1 central exchange listings. 5,000 plus holders. Phase 3, Oinke merch. Tier 1 central exchange listings, YouTuber partnerships, mainstream media outreach, and then more to follow after that. So tokenomics, it does say 0% tax. So if you missed the pre-sale, first of all, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new pre-sales. But shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium or Jupiter for purchase. That's where you'll be able to get it by funding your Phantom wallet or your Coinbase, Coin98, Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, any decentralized wallet that you like that takes SOL tokens. Fund it with SOL. Go into the dApps, find Raydium or Jupiter, wherever it gets listed. It says manual listing, but it will be listed on one of them eventually. Go into the dApps, say find Raydium, and then you would trade your SOL for the Oinke token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, oinke.xyz. And because it says 0% taxes, that means you probably will not have to worry about setting your slippage, maybe 0.5% at the most. Now it says 45% of the tokens go to pre-sale investors, 55% of the tokens equals burned, and any unsold tokens from the pre-sale will be burned, but it looks like they're doing very well and may potentially reach their hard cap pretty easily here. And yeah, you're going to find lots of memes on their webpage and on their socials, and yeah, it's basically just a meme token. You will be able to see the chart on their webpage eventually here. And they're going to update roadmaps and stuff like that, I'm sure, in the future. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.